Hello everyone, me Gagandeep Singh as your host. Today I'm gonna teach you about how to work on a WordPress website. So our main focus will be how to create, edit and delete a post, managing the content of post, add, edit or delete a top level menu item, and the last but not the least will be change the theme of your website. So first of all, we'll be doing the post work. So this is the interface where we will be working on. So here you will be getting an option of post. When we'll click the post option, so we'll get this screen. So here one of the posts is already created 8 hours ago, as you will see over here. So we'll be creating a new post. So I'll tell you how. So first of all, click on add a new post. Now first of all, give a title to your post. So we'll start with the most common, hello world, right? So this is the title of our post. Now add some data to it. So I'll type hello everyone, I am Gagandeep. Today is a beautiful day. So I think that's enough. So after you can add more of the data. You can add a picture, a video, or anything you want, a link or anything, right? So after that, once we add our data, so we'll just click on publish. So the software will ask you again that whether you want to continue or discontinue. So we'll click again on publish. So it's updating our post on the website. So here post published, we'll click on view post, right? So right on the very top, it is displaying our new post, which we have titled as hello world, and we have written hello everyone, I am Gagandeep, today is a beautiful day, right? So this is the way we add a post, right? Or you can check the right, you can check this post if we are on the home page and you want to see those posts. So you can click on blog, and under the blog section you will see all the posts. So hello world that we have recently added, and this is the post that was added before I added the hello post, right? So the recent post will be shown on the very top of the page, and so on, right? So now we'll move to the further part of editing or deleting a post, right? So we'll click on this icon over here, my site. Again we will go to the post option. Now we will click on these three magical dots, click on these. So we'll get the first option like edit, right? So once you'll click edit option, so now so this is your data. If you want to add more data, you can add more data in this, but I'll just show you by editing this data only. So after you will click on this setting option, you will see like paragraph, text, settings, right? So you can increase the size of the data, like small, normal, large, huge. So I'll go with a large one, or you can do the custom size as well. If you want to reset, like you don't want this, so you can just simply click on reset, it will be back to the normal size. But we want the large size, so we'll click on that. And here's one like radio button type kind of button. So if you will click this, so it will just make the very first letter of the alphabet of your first word, the bigger one, right? As you can see in the screen. So we don't want this one. Sorry. So if you want to change the color of your text, so you can just simply select a color. You can even custom your color as well. So I like the blue one, so I'll go with that. If you want to change the background of the text, so you can do that as well. We'll go with the red one. Oh, sorry, the pink one. There are some advanced settings as well. If you want some additional CSS like cascading style sheets, if you want to add more style to your blog text, so you can use that as well, right? So I think this much is enough for this one. So we'll now update this on our website. It's getting updated, so it's updated on our website, so we'll just have a look on that. So you can see that our text is already, like our post is already updated, right? It's been edited. It's not that a big task to edit our text. So now I'll show you how you can delete a post. If you have like some timer or something regarding your post, so you can easily delete that anytime. So click that magical three dots again, so you will see an option for trash, right? Now once you will click the trash button, your recently added or the chosen post will be deleted. So you can see this message, post successfully moved to trash. If you by accidentally you deleted that post, so you can do undo, right? And it will take some time. Yeah, so the post successfully restored. If you want to see that post, right, click view, and it will show you a preview of the post on your website, right? So it is back over here again. So if you want to delete that and check on the website, so you can easily do that as well. Just trash that again, right? Wait for the message. Yeah, it's successfully moved to trash, right? So just go to the website, just refresh it once. Sometimes the updates are not being made, so go to the blog page and you will not see that post again. So this was the post that was updated before our recent post, and just above this, slightly above this one, we added a new post named hello world. So now it is not present over here, right? So this is how we delete a post. Okay, so now we'll move to our next topic, that is to add, edit or delete a top level menu item. So the menu item, by menu item I mean these menu items like home, blog, about and contact. So if you want to add more menu items, so we can add more n number of items, and if you want to delete any of these items, so we can delete those as well. And if you want to edit any of these, so we can do that as well. So to proceed with that, we can just go to the customize under design, right? Now select the menu option. So there are two types, like one is primary, under which it's mentioned currently set to primary. Like primary are the one which are on the top of your website, right? So we'll go under that. Now we have all the four options that are currently displaying on our website. If we'll go to the drop down option, so we'll get a number of options over there. The first one is navigation label. So if you want to change the name or something, so we can just add something to this, right? You can directly see the changes on this page. Like I add display, so you will see display in our menu as well, right? So from here you can change the name of your menu item. If I'll tick mark this option, right, open link in new tab, so whenever a user click on home page, right, so the website will take that user to a new page. Like this is a different page and this is a different page, right? So whenever the person will click on this home page, a new tab will be open. Okay, so that was a part of it. And you can add some titles to your item, the menu item, right? You can, if you want to add some CSS styles or some other things, you can add the classes of that, right? If you want to link some relationships with these items, so you can that as well, add that as well. And if you want to like show some description about any of these menu items, so you can simply type that description over here. It is a button to home, right? So if I add this, click on this, so not basically click, so this is a short description of the item, right? If anyone wants to see that or not, so that's an optional thing if you want to do, right? So you can simply do all these things to other items as well. So next we have the add item, right? If you want to add more options to your menu, right? Right now we have home, blog, contact, about, right? If I want to have images, right, I'll type images and click on add. So you can see we have added a new option named images, right? So we'll go to this page and you can see the name images over here, right? We have added one more item to our menu, and you can change the order. Like if you want to see the images option on the very top of this menu list, so you can just simply go to the reorder, right? Click this until, sorry, this one, now again this one, and this one. Now on the menu page you will see images on the top of our menu, right? So this is the way you can do that. Right now we have this as a list that drops down. If you have styled your page to show the menus in a linear form, so you can move these things right or left. Okay, so I don't want the images on the very top, so I'll bring that down in the menu. After all that, you can just simply click on done if you are done with all the changes regarding that, right? Yeah, so the next thing I'm telling you is that menu location. This is menu location, right? So right now I've told you in the beginning that the location for this particular menu, home, blog, about, contact, and images, so we have a primary location, right? Primary means in the website, the primary location means the top of the website, right? If I'll click on the footer, right, and uncheck the primary, so we will see the options in the footer. Okay, and yeah, so we don't want that in the footer side, so we'll again do that to the primary location, that is the top of the page. Okay, and we also get an option to delete the whole menu. If I'll click this delete option, so our menu that we have selected right now, that is this one, the primary, right? We have named that menu as primary as well. So if I'll click the delete menu option, so the whole menu will be deleted. So but we don't want that one, so we will ignore the delete button. I'll tell you, if you want to delete any single item of your menu, just go to this button, right, and you'll see a remove option over here. If I'll click on this one, right, so you can see the image menu item is already removed, right? So in this way you can delete that. So I've told you about how to add an item. You can go over here if you want to edit any of these, so you can go to this page, right? You can add description, you can add a name, open link in new tab, you can change the name. Okay, and the last is to delete a menu option, the menu item, either you can say, right? And after that we will just save the changes. It can take some time according to the internet speed or something. So it is saved, right? So we'll cross this one. That's all. So after changing or editing our menu option, so we'll be continuing with our theme changing option. So for that, just go to the design part and go to the theme. So on the theme, you can see we have a lot of options for different themes. Right now we are using this one, the current theme, right? So if you want to change any of these, just select any of the theme according to your requirements. So we'll go with this one, the Strat 4, right? Just click it once. You can have an overview of the theme, that how it will be appearing on the browser. So yeah, it's pretty much similar, and we'll go with our content. So you can have a demo of that as well, right? As I've told you. So this is called a live demo. So you can just scroll down. There are images, there are some blogs, and there are short blogs. So we'll just close and accept it, right? And now close it, close everything, and you can activate this theme, right? So now there will be an warning to you that you want to keep the previous theme, or you want to start with the new theme. So just click on yes, activate Strat 4, which is the new theme. It will take some time. So now, yeah, so it is updated. There are two options: view the site with the new theme or edit the home page. So we'll just see the new theme first. Yeah, so the name is the same, your fashion house, and we have all our menu items. The content is different. Yeah, it is pretty much similar to the previous one. So I've shown you how you can select a new theme, and how you can have a preview of that particular theme which you wanted to have with your website. So you can also customize that particular theme in some aspects, like if you want to add some text, if I want to change this Excel into some other things, like I want to add heading, so I can have a preview of my change items as well. So after, if I'll save those changes, so it will be appearing as heading, not the Excel which we get with the theme, right? So we can change the color of this heading, we can change the color of the text, we can change the background, we can add new images to these. I'll show you. So if I want to bold this one, I can bold that. There are some options. Duplicate, it will be heading, insert before, if I want to insert before heading, or something after, before. No, I don't want this one, right? So yeah, block create, right? Preview. Yeah, so this is how it works. If I will update that, so it will be updated as our new theme in our website, but I don't want that theme, because the previous one suits with our website much better. So if I'm going back to the changes, so the website is asking me, you have unsaved changes, are you sure you want to leave this site? So yes, I'm sure, I don't want to save the changes. Now if you want to change more of the themes, so you can just simply click on that. If you want to take the preview, you can click on open live demo and see that, but I'll simply go to the activate function and yes, activate this theme. So yes, it is activated. Yes, we are back with the previous one. It is much cooler than the new theme, because it suits with our fashion house website. So yeah, so this is all about how we can change the theme of our website, how we can preview the theme, the new one, or how we can revert to the previous theme that we already using with the website. So moving towards the last part in our today's tutorial is adding images to the media library and editing those images, and at last we will be deleting the unwanted images from the library. So for that, go under the themes option under design. So you will be getting an option for customize the theme on which we are already working. So I'll show you how you can add or delete the unwanted images, right? So just click on any of the images which you think that is not suitable for your particular website. So let's click the first picture. So you'll see the toolbar on the image, right? So if you want to replace this picture, so you will get two options. Open the media library. Yeah, this is the media library. So we have two pictures in this media library. If you want to add a new picture to this library, add via URL. So you can add the URL, means the destination, or you can say the file source of the particular image. You can add that as well, right? If you want to delete, so you can simply delete the images which are present in this media library, but we don't want to add any image from this particular library, right? So you can simply go back and choose the other option. We'll talk about that as well later on. And if you want to add some videos, so you can go to the videos over here. Okay, and right now I don't have the premium plan for the WordPress, so I have to buy that. But if we will be having a premium pack, so we will be getting an option of images over here, sorry, the videos. So we'll select the particular video which we want to have in our website, so we can click that and add that to our website. If you want to, similarly, if you want to add some documents, some audios and other posts, some written posts, so you can add those as well. So I'll show you how to upload an image from your particular PC. So just click on upload. I have some downloaded images, so I'll show you from downloads. Click on the image directly. Yeah, so this is the picture, so it is uploaded, right? So if I'll just click on preview, so the new picture will be uploaded over here, right? It is basically replacing the previous picture with a new one. So this is how it works. If you want to add other pictures, you can just click on that particular picture. So this bar will move to that particular picture on which you will click, right? If you will click on this one, so the bar will move to this one, right? This is particular text box, so that's why we are getting some different options. So this is a picture, so we are getting change alignment, right? So if I want to align this picture center, right, basically the picture is present in a particular div, so that's why it is not moving here and there, right? So there are some alignments. Change the block type or style. We can change the style of the image or the type. And if you want to insert particular links for any image so that the user can download those images, so you can add those links over here, insert link, right? There are more options, so you can go through all the options that are not being used much in this part, so that's why. So if you want to delete any of the picture, go to this button, remove block, right? There is a short key for that as well. So as you see, I just click on that remove block, so the whole block of that image is deleted, right? And if you want to add more blocks, so you can simply add from this one. Just go to gallery, and upload any of the picture that you want, right? So I'll add another picture, which is this one, right? So another picture is added to the website, right? You can have a preview. I'll recommend that you always have a preview. Once you made any change, even a single change, just take the preview of that how it looks and how it embedded in your website, so that your website is created very well and the users will like it and they'll visit your website again and again whenever they want. So this is all about today's tutorial. Thank you everyone for listening with your patience. Thank you so much. Have a good day.